Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve error code 0x8007045A error DLL INIT failed when you use Windows Update. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, Settings, now Troubleshooter, Other troubleshooters, Windows Update, so click on Run. And follow suggestions which you see here. Now close it and restart. After restart, try second method. Type cmd. Right click on this run command. Run as administrator. Now type here sfc space / sfc space / scan now. Then press enter. Now complete this scanning, and once this scanning will complete, close it and restart. Hopefully guys, using this simple and easy way, we can fix and resolve this error problem. Thanks for watching, and please comment this method worked for you or not.